Hey guys, we're on our way to Fossil Creek. This is apparently one of Arizona's best kept secrets. It is a big waterfall. We have 17 miles of this nasty washboard road. It's really bumpy out here. So we'll see what happens. So follow along. We've been staying here at Verde Ranch RV Resort in Camp Verde, Arizona. This place has been a great base camp. It's really close to Sedona and Prescott, which is great if you like to get out and hike, rock climb, or just see the sights. The resort itself is pretty big. It's got about 400 sites with some cabins as well. It's actually been a very nice RV resort and perfect for our last 2 weeks here. Everyone knows there's a lot of history associated with Route 66. This road stretched from Chicago, Illinois to Santa Monica, California, and was known as the Main Street of America. It was approximately 2,448 miles. It was designated as Route 66 in 1926 and decommissioned in 1985. It traverses 8 states. So how does this wood become petrified anyways? According to the National Park Service, a log is petrified when all of its original plant material is infilled or replaced by minerals. Approximately 216 million years ago, trees in this area died and fell into a river. They were buried beneath layers of silt, mud, sand, and volcanic ash, which protected them from decay. Mineral-laden groundwater percolated through the layers, carrying silica from the volcanic ash and other trace minerals. The absorbent dead wood became saturated with these minerals. The silica or quartz crystals slowly bonded with the cells of the tree, replicating the organic material in perfect detail. Eventually, silica replaced the wood material. Now this petrified forest is not made of trees, but of stone. Fossil Creek. It is a big waterfall. We already stopped once to air down our tires and we saw we were leaking antifreeze. We got out there and looked around and it turns out I just overfilled the antifreeze containers. Hopefully we're gonna have safe travels. And to park at Fossil Creek you have to have a permit, which you have to get ahead of time at recreation.gov.
It's never enough. I can't get it out of my head. It's a long way down at the speed of sound. Oh my love, what's on your mind?
our dog in this backpack. But sometimes if there's nobody behind me, then I'm lost a lot. Jett likes to turn around and look around, see where we're going. It's really cute. We are headed to Montezumas Castle. It's a national monument. It's only about 5 miles down the road from where we're staying right now. We're not doing much today, so we thought we'd go check it out. It's an ancient cliff dwelling from some of the Indians that were here, I believe, 600 to 900 years ago. So we'll see what it's about. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok at adventures_with_chance. I'll make sure I post a link in the description below. Be sure to check back soon as we head north into Utah to find our next adventure.